Hello guys, I'm back with one more video. On this video I have this Swift 5 Pro laptop. The issue is it doesn't turn on, so even though it's plugged in, as you can see the light is on. When I try to turn it on, it doesn't turn on. So I'm gonna hold the power button for a couple of seconds, see if that makes a difference. It just blinks a little bit, but it doesn't turn on. So I will show you how we can fix this issue. So in order to fix it, we'll unplug this laptop first, flip it over, and first thing we'll do is remove all the screw from back of the laptop. Let me just adjust this camera real quick. So in order to remove the back screw, which has a special screw, so we're gonna use T4 or T5 Torx screwdrivers to remove all the screws. So we'll do that. Alright, once the screw is out, now we're gonna try to remove this back cover. We're gonna grab either one of the side and try to unplug it gently. Try to do it with my hand. Let's see if that works. Okay, if that doesn't work, you can use a small tool, anything you have, small screwdriver if you have. Gently push it back from that gap right there. There you go, I have a little gap there, so gently push it out, don't worry. Be gentle. You would hear a click, but that's okay. So gently remove the back cover. It's gonna feel a little tight, but yeah, you have to apply a little bit of force and eventually you would be able to remove the back cover. Alright, once that's out, so this is how it looks when you open the back cover of your Swift 5 Pro laptop. So this one right here is a battery for the laptop, and this is the cable where it's plugged into. So all we need to do is we're gonna unplug this cable where it's plugged in. Unplug it gently, take your time. There we go, unplug it, and we'll plug it back in gently. That's it. Here we go, we unplugged it. Now gently plug it back in. Make sure it's all the way in. Like that. While you're at it, just make sure the cables are connected properly. So once the battery is plugged in, we'll plug back the back cover of the laptop. I'm not going to worry about put the screw in right now. So I'm just want to see if it turns on or not. So let me just flip it over and turn it on and see if that works or not. So here we go, moment of truth. I'm gonna plug it in. Oops. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna plug it in gently. So as you can see, without hitting the power button, as soon as I plugged it in, you can see all the lights go on. So that's a good sign. Hopefully we'll see the Acer logo and it loads properly. Just wait. Hey, patience. Let's see. Anytime now. Lights are going on and off, so that's a good sign. So that means this was not doing it before, so it's a good sign. As you can see right there, lights blinking on and off. What I'll do is I'm gonna try to force turn it off by holding the power button for 10 seconds and turn it back on and give that a try, because it took too long to load. Okay, right there we see the Acer logo, so that means that was the issue. We just unplug the battery cable and plug it back in, and it just turns on properly. Once we see the Windows login screen, that means we successfully resolved the issue. There you go. So that was the issue, guys. All you have to do is unplug the battery cable and plug it back in, and that's how you fix the issue. Thank you so much, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos, and I'll be back with more videos soon. Thank you.